Artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we work, it's fundamentally reshaping society like the printing press did centuries ago. At least that's what Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook argued in her groundbreaking speech this week.
That's such a powerful comparison. When you think about how the printing press democratized knowledge, it really puts AI's potential impact in perspective.
And what's fascinating is we're seeing that impact play out in real time with the EU's new GPAI code. They're setting these comprehensive standards for documentation and independent audits. It's like watching the future of AI governance take shape.
Hmm. Speaking of governance, have you looked into the details of that new Texas AI law?
Oh, yes, it's actually quite innovative in how it approaches intent. They're specifically targeting AI systems designed to discriminate or manipulate users. But here's what's really interesting. They're offering safe harbor to companies that follow established frameworks like NIST.
That must be creating quite a stir in the compliance world.
Well, it's definitely pushing organizations to take AI governance more seriously. And with tools like Grok 4 hitting the market at $300 per month, companies need clear frameworks for evaluating these investments.
You know what concerns me most? The growing insider threat from employees using consumer AI tools with sensitive data.
That's exactly what keeps risk managers up at night. I just read about a case where an employee pasted an entire HR database into a public chatbot. Can you imagine the potential fallout from that?
Oh, wow. That's pretty alarming. How do you think organizations should address this risk?
Well, it requires a multi layered approach. First, we need robust, acceptable use policies specifically for AI tools. But beyond that, we need to think about how AI is already embedded in critical systems, from recruitment to fraud detection.
And I suppose that's where internal audit needs to step up its game.
Precisely. We need to develop new methodologies for auditing AI systems. It's not just about checking the code. We need to examine training data for bias, assess model logic for fairness, and monitor long-term impacts.
That reminds me. Have you tried the new Teammate Plus AI editor? It seems to be addressing some of these concerns.
Yes, and it's a great example of responsible AI implementation. It maintains data privacy while helping with tone and summarization. But you know what's really powerful? The prompt engineering capabilities.
Tell me more about that. How are you using prompts in audit planning?
So here's my favorite technique. I prompt the AI to analyze business processes and break down risks, controls, and test steps. But the key is specifying no jargon. It forces the output to be clear and actionable.
That could really streamline our preliminary risk assessments.
Exactly. But here's the crucial part. We need to verify everything against our professional judgment. AI is a tool to enhance our expertise, not replace it.
So, what do you see as our top priorities moving forward?
Well, first, we need to build cross-functional teams that understand both AI and risk management. Then, we need comprehensive mapping of AI usage across organizations. And finally, we need to develop robust documentation and regular AI audits.
That's quite an agenda. Where should organizations start?
I think the key is starting small, but thinking big. Begin with an inventory of current AI tools, develop clear governance frameworks, and gradually build more sophisticated audit methodologies.
You know, when you put it that way, it really does feel like we're at a historic turning point.
Um, Absolutely right. And that brings us back to Governor Cook's comparison to the printing press. Just as that innovation transforms society, AI is reshaping how organizations operate and manage risk. Our role is to help guide that transformation responsibly.
Well said. It's about embracing innovation while maintaining integrity.
And that's really the key takeaway. We're not just responding to change, we're actively shaping how organizations navigate this AI revolution. Pretty exciting times to be in our field, wouldn't you say?